Planning a road trip but running out of cargo space? A quality roof basket can instantly add hundreds of pounds of storage capacity to your SUV without breaking the bank. But here's the problem. Not all roof baskets are created equal. Some shake loose on the highway, others rust within months, and the worst ones, they sound like a jet engine at 60 miles per hour. Today, I'm breaking down the 5 best roof baskets that actually deliver on their promises, based on real-world testing and thousands of customer reviews. Let's dive in. Number 1. Weize Heavy-Duty Roof Rack Basket. Starting strong with the Weize, and honestly, this is the complete package most people are looking for. Right out of the box, you're getting way more than just a basket. Weize includes a 16 cubic foot waterproof cargo bag, a cargo net, and tie-down straps. That's everything you need for your first trip. No extra shopping required. The basket itself adjusts from 43 inches all the way to 64 inches, which means it'll fit pretty much any SUV you throw at it. The 6-inch high walls are taller than most competitors, giving you serious peace of mind when you're hauling camping gear or sports equipment. And we're talking a 200-pound weight capacity here, which is more than enough for most applications. What really sets this apart is the coating. Weize uses both an E-coat and a carbide black powder coat. Translation, this thing fights off rust and corrosion like a champ. The wind fairing up front does its job too, keeping highway noise down to acceptable levels. Now, one thing to keep in mind, while the installation is straightforward, you'll want to double-check all bolts after your first 100 miles or so. Some users mention needing to retighten them initially, but once properly secured, it stays rock solid. For the price point, you're getting exceptional value. The included accessories alone would cost you $50 to $70 separately. Check the link in the description box for current pricing, and trust me, this one rarely disappoints. Number 2. Mockins Extendable Roof Rack Basket. The Mockins takes everything good about budget roof baskets and cranks it up a notch. This is where you start seeing premium features without the premium price tag. First off, that cargo bag. It's not just thrown in as an afterthought. The Mockins bag features a 2-inch zipper flap with Velcro closures and 4 side handles. Those handles make a huge difference when you're trying to wrestle a fully loaded bag onto your roof by yourself. Been there, done that, and handles matter. The basket expands from 43 to 64 inches, same as the Weize, but here's where it gets interesting. Mockins rates this at 250 pounds capacity. That's 50 pounds more than our number 1 pick. The aerodynamic windshield is also notably more refined, which translates to better fuel economy on long hauls. What really seals the deal? The 10-year warranty. That's not a typo. 10 years. Mockins clearly stands behind their product, and honestly, that kind of warranty tells you everything you need to know about build quality. You're also getting buckle straps, ratchet straps, a cargo net, and even a combo lock for security. The complete accessory kit means you're truly ready to go from day one. The potential downside? The assembly instructions could be clearer. A few customers mention the manual is a bit sparse, but nothing a quick YouTube search can't solve. Once it's assembled, though, this basket is bulletproof. For anyone who takes regular road trips or camping adventures, the Mockins offers incredible value. Again, links are in the description box below. Number 3. Ecotric Universal Adjustable Roof Rack Basket. Here's where things get interesting for those of you who value versatility above all else. The Ecotric has a trick up its sleeve that the others don't. It adjusts from 25 inches all the way to 59 inches. Why does that matter? Well, maybe you've got both an SUV and a smaller crossover in the family, or maybe you're planning to upgrade vehicles in a year or two. With the Ecotric, you're not locked into one size. It's genuinely universal in a way most universal roof baskets aren't. The segmented design is another smart touch. When you're not using it, this basket breaks down for easier storage in your garage. Try doing that with a welded one-piece basket. The black powder coating handles weather well, and that steel wind fairing does a solid job protecting your cargo from wind damage while keeping noise levels reasonable. Now, here's the honest truth. The Ecotric benefits significantly from a little preventive maintenance. Several experienced users recommend applying 2 coats of rust-resistant spray paint before your first use, especially if you live in humid areas or near the coast. It's an extra step, sure, but it's 15 minutes that'll add years to the basket's life. The Ecotric proves you don't need to spend a fortune to get solid performance. It's perfect for weekend warriors and occasional adventurers. Check the description for the Amazon link. Number 4. Thule Canyon XT Roof Cargo Basket. Now we're stepping into premium territory, and with Thule, you're paying for a name that's earned its reputation over decades. This isn't just marketing hype. The Canyon XT is genuinely different from the budget options. The wedge-shaped, low-profile design isn't just about aesthetics, though it does look fantastic. Those tapered sidewalls make loading and unloading significantly easier. You're not fighting high walls when you're trying to slide a cooler or duffel bag into position. The 4-inch height is the sweet spot between security and accessibility. Build quality is next level. The heavy-duty steel construction with black powder coating is standard, but the finish quality and attention to detail separate this from cheaper alternatives. Universal mounting means it works with Thule systems, round bars, and most factory racks. The T-Track compatibility with AeroBlade and Exporter bars gives you flexibility for adding bike racks or kayak carriers. Weight capacity is 150 pounds, which is less than our previous picks. That's the trade-off for that sleek, low-profile design. For most people, 150 pounds is still plenty, but if you're regularly hauling extremely heavy loads, keep that in mind. There's also an optional 20-inch extension available if you need more space down the road. The Canyon XT is the choice for people who want something that looks as good as it performs. Premium price, premium product. Link in the description. Number 5. Arksen Universal Heavy-Duty Roof Rack Cargo. Rounding out our list is the Arksen, and this is your best bet if you're watching your budget closely but still want reliable performance. This is proof that affordable doesn't mean disposable. The reinforced tubular steel frame with black epoxy coating gives you the rust protection you need without the premium price tag. Tool-free adjustment between 43 and 64 inches makes installation genuinely simple. Even if you're not mechanically inclined, you can have this mounted and ready in under an hour. Weight capacity ranges from 150 to 250 pounds depending on which model you choose, so make sure you're picking the right one for your needs. The included cargo net and wind deflector are solid additions that you'd otherwise need to purchase separately. Arksen even puts their baskets through 24 to 48 hours of salt spray testing, which shows they're thinking about real-world durability. Here's what you should know. Like the Ecotric, the Arksen really benefits from some preventive maintenance. Apply rust-resistant coating before your first use, especially on exposed welds and connection points. Customers who did this reported their baskets looking brand new even after a year of regular use. The Arksen is perfect for occasional users, first-time buyers, or anyone who needs a reliable basket without the bells and whistles. It's basic in the best way possible. For current pricing and availability, hit that description box below. All Amazon links are waiting for you in the description box below, along with current prices and any available discounts. Thanks for watching, safe travels out there, and I'll see you in the next one.